Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Open the X app on your phone or go to x.com on your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features available to you. Step 2. Look for the Explore tab, which is typically represented by a magnifying glass icon on your home feed. Tap or click on it to enter the Discover section where you can search for topics. Step 3. Use the search bar at the top to type in the topic you want to follow. You can search for anything from technology to sports to entertainment, whatever interests you most. Step 4. Once you find your topic in the search results, click on it to view all posts related to that topic. You'll see a follow button near the topic header that you can click. Step 5. After clicking the follow button, the topic will be added to your following list, and you'll start seeing posts from that topic in your feed. You can manage all your followed topics anytime by going back to Explore and checking your topic preferences.